So that chicken's trying to eat my shoes. These rubber shoes, you can't eat those. But anyway. Whoa. What was that? Guess something must have been after a chickie out there. Okay, well anyway. I'm going to take the squash. This one is the Dixie Hybrid crookneck squash. I'm going to plant them in these big ones here that don't have anything growing in them. And, stepped in a hole. But anyway, I'll be moving these kind of over a little bit. There's pepper plants in here we need to get in the ground. They're not in these big ones here. They're growing in something separate. So, chickies, they'll keep bothering me. I'm going to have a cookout.